We'll guide you through how to fix an iPhone not receiving emails. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. This problem can be annoying as perhaps somebody sent you an important email and you haven't gone and received it, or there's something else which hasn't come through. We've got some different fixes you can try. First of all, in your inbox, simply go and drag down like so to go and do a refresh and see if it then comes through. Next, make sure you're checking the right inbox. Press the back button in the top left. You may have multiple, and so you can go and view them all by clicking all inboxes. Go and see if you can then see it there, because it could be a different one. Also, check the junk in case it was incorrectly marked. For the next fix, come out of Mail and open your settings and come to Mobile Service. Scroll down in Mobile Data and press Show All and go and find Mail. Make sure it's switched on if you want to go and use it on mobile data. See if that solves it, otherwise come back. At the top, you can go and press Search and you want to go and type in Mail like so, and then you can tap on it. Tap Mail Accounts and then go and find the account. I'll do this with the Gmail. And what we can do is go and press Delete Account. This just deletes it from the iPhone, not the whole account. Then press Add Account and you want to go and re-add it. We can then press Save and it's been added. Now come back to Mail and hopefully it's now working.